Yeah, Srinika, let me know what is the issue that you're all inquiring into, and
Ma'am, the
what you
issue,
all think you need to focus for the PYP exhibition.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the issue we are inquiring into is economic depression and recession.
Yeah.
Ma'am, and we are focusing on like the downfalls, ma'am, and in the history when the stock market and the production rates have gone down, and when just everybody could not be happy and could not get money to feed their families, ma'am.
Okay. What are your lines of inquiry?
Ma'am, our lines of inquiry which we framed are economic depression that changed the world, approaches taken by humans to overcome the fear of recession, and the third one is awareness of economic depression and recession through different artistic forms.
All right. Okay, go ahead. So, you have inquired so far. I think it is almost done. Your inquiry is done.
Almost done, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Ma'am, we are just
yes.
left with two artistic forms, ma'am.
So, what artistic forms are you using?
Music,
Mhm.
art, and photography.
Okay. Tell me now, if you're all preparing for your exhibition, there is so much that you might have, acquired the knowledge about this depression and recession. I'm asking you, what are the important things that you want to, put it in the exhibition? It is not that you will showcase everything, right? So from your first line, economic depression and recession, right? What is that you want to focus there for the exhibition purpose? I'm asking about the exhibition purpose.
Ma'am, we are focusing on what are the important downfalls, how did it impact on our lives, and what are the
Yeah,
major
tell me.
down.
Yeah, what are the major downfalls? You explain it to me right now.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, the major downfalls are like the stock market crash, the Great Depression in America, and
Hmm.
many more, ma'am.
You need to elaborate, I think. You cannot give
Ma'am,
us
actually the other names are like a little difficult, ma'am. I need to remember.
whoever, the other participants. Think that this is the exhibition now. You are presenting it to all the parents, and tell me what are you going to talk about the first line.
Ma'am, like the slums are a few downturns, ma'am, which will be remembered forever in the history of the world. So like we are focusing on the main points, like for suppose the stock market crash of 1929 and the Great Depression, which was in 1929. The year was like horrible, ma'am. So we are focusing on the major key ideas, ma'am, like the basic points which everyone needs to know.
What
Like
are those
everyone will
basic
forget.
points?
So we're just reminding about it.
All right. What are the basic points that everybody should know?
Ma'am, it's like what is a recession? What is a depression? How can we enter into a crash? Or how can we enter into a depression and all, ma'am? Like a basic explanation about the recessions and depressions.
Okay, now any one of you tell me what is depression, what is recession, what is the difference between it, and what is the crash?
Ma'am, a crash is where the economy of a country, of a particular region or a country falls down so much that it affects the country to enter into a crash, ma'am. That is what it is. That is a crash. Recession is like, ma'am, it's a long duration, ma'am. Like it happens for months, while depression happens for years like that, ma'am. There's a lot of difference between both of the words.
Yes, Srinika.
Ma'am, for example, if we take the Great Depression, ma'am, there were a lot of recessions that happened when the Great Depression was going through, ma'am, like the Roosevelt recession and the Eisenhower recession.
Why do you think the recession or depression happens?
Ma'am, when the country starts to overproduce, ma'am. America's economy was like that only. When the country starts to overproduce, and then like ma'am, no one buys it, and then they enter into a crash or depression or recession.
Ma'am, when there are business failures and all, the recession happens, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, and when the stock market is going down, ma'am.
Can you give an example or a case study? What a case study?
Ma'am, we did case studies about different countries like Germany, India, and all, ma'am. So, like we did at least 5 to 6 case studies. So, we would like to speak about it, ma'am. Srinika, would you like to continue?
Yeah, ma'am, for the Germany state, we saw that it was mostly because of the Adolf Hitler and the Nazis taking over Germany, ma'am. It was one of the main points that made Germany come into a depression, and also Germany also started to overproduce, and there was also a potato famine, ma'am. Means that they also started to overproduce so many potatoes that there were huge landfills of them, and nobody buys them. So the potato sellers didn't gain any money, ma'am. And since there were a lot of them in Germany, it became a failure for Germany.
Okay, that's a good example, a very simple example to understand. Tell me what is the Great Recession is about, or depression, sorry, not recession. Depression is about?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question again, ma'am?
I'm asking what is the Great Depression is all about?
Ma'am, there are several Great Depressions, ma'am. Like there was Great Depression in Germany, there was a Great Depression in India, and there was also a Great Depression in America.
So
Ma'am,
I'm interested to know about what is the Great Depression in India. When was it? What happened? Why it happened in India?
Yes, ma'am. The Great Depression was a severe worldwide economic recession, ma'am, that took place mostly during the 1930s, where it actually started in the United States and continued to other states.
Ma'am, it occurred because of another event called Dust Bowl, ma'am. Like the tornadoes and all affected, ma'am, the natural calamities.
So because of that, depression happened, is it?
Yes, ma'am. Like Corona, if we can take Corona also, that is also it's a recession, ma'am. Actually, we can take that also.
Ma'am,
Okay.
because there are many unemployed people during this time, ma'am. So that comes under a recession, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what happens? What happens when there is a recession?
Ma'am, slowly the stock market falls down, ma'am. After the stock market falls down, the economy will fall down of the country, and then there will be horrible days where people will not buy anything, ma'am, because the costs are too much.
Ma'am, and then they can't find jobs, and they can't live, and they can't survive properly.
Ma'am, and also the COVID-19 recession, one main point that it was caused was the oil war between some of the Asian states, ma'am. There was a oil price war, and due to that happening, when the coronavirus broke out, it became into a recession, ma'am.
See, what you all need to explain it to the viewers or your audience is, suppose you are talking about oil price wars. How is it affecting a common man like you and me? What is the connection? What are the chains of reactions? That will, make others realize, oh, this is what is recession, this is what is depression, and this is how it is going to affect me. You are giving me the dots, but I'm not able to connect it. You should be able to connect it and, give your presentation. Because for anybody, including me, especially me, the economic depression or recession is something which I do not bother much, because it may or may not affect me directly. To me,
Sorry.
yeah, to me, so far it is going smoothly. Okay, maybe to Shija ma'am, maybe to you all also, it is going well. But that's the reason why I do not know how is it affecting. It is going well. I'm still going to work. So maybe you need to connect, how for other people it is going to affect, and how is it connected to the entire country's economic recession. Okay,
Ma'am,
can you connect it? Yeah.
Ma'am, we can take an example, ma'am, that like India is banning China products now, no, ma'am. So we are also not using China products much now. And as China and as the China stock market crash is affected, ma'am, the world's stock market crash is also affected, ma'am, because
How?
China produces
What
the
is stock
most
market?
products, ma'am.
What is stock market?
Ma'am, stock market is like the
Ma'am, it's like a
Stock
place.
market is a place where we produce things, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, and can I give a common example, ma'am? Ma'am, think you're a businessman and you set up a business. You put some investment in this corona time. So like you have to register a land, okay? So you sold a land and some people are complaining, no, there's corona, I can't do it. It's a big pressure. I don't have money and I was evicted. And then it affects the effect on them will affect you also, ma'am, because if the registration doesn't happen, then you will get affected because you won't get money. And then you will not be able to buy a few things. So from one common man, it goes to the entire country. Like that,
So,
slowly it happens, ma'am.
okay, suppose it is affecting me. In turn, how is it affecting others?
Ma'am, can I tell, ma'am?
Yeah, let Shrija complete. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so like if your registration is not happening, ma'am, then the person you have to pay to, for suppose you're going to pay the money to someone else, the registration money, then they will get affected. Then you will enter into a crash and you will enter into a depression. Like you don't know what to do or anything. What can I do now? I don't have money in my bank account. The registration is not happening, and all will happen, ma'am. Like by you, everybody will get affected because you're not paying the money to them. Like that, ma'am.
Okay, now I understood a bit. Okay. Somebody else, Ritika.
Yes. I'm just wanna to add her, ma'am. As she said, for example, you're the businessman and you wanna sell your land and take the money. It's in a corona time only. If they don't take your land, and you will not get to buy your you can't get your money back of your land. So by that, the money you can't keep your investment of your business, ma'am. So your business also will not go well and you'll be in a depression.
I think you can connect this economic chain to the food chain. Like if we don't find some consumers in the food chain, it will be a loss for the entire what do you call living things in that chain. Similarly, I think I'm just trying to understand. I think it is the same with the economic chain also. Right?
You're right, ma'am. That's right.
Yeah. Can you all start your presentation now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ritvika?
Ritika, start.
Good morning, dear friends and dear parents. My name is Rutvika, and as you may have known, we all are here present today for our PYP exhibition. It was a wonderful journey researching about the global issue. Now, I want to introduce the Echo Hood: Srinika, Ritika, Shrija, Aksha, Charita, Arna, Amrita, and Kartika. We are inquiring into the theme how we express ourselves. The global issue we all have chosen was the economic depression and recession. This topic is all about the economic downfall of different countries affected by stock market crashes and inactivity of businesses. We take different tasks to have an in-depth inquiry about this global issue. Not only past downturns, we have also collected information and gained knowledge about the present downturns. Now, let's hear more about this journey from my team.
Well, here we are here we are to inform you all about why and how we chose this issue. So, we felt it was important to us because it was significant in this times. After exploring, wondering, and questioning, we figured out that these decisions showed a great impact upon people's lives. It changed the way people talk about the downturns in the world that occurred in the past. We all have collected data and reported findings about the issue. From that information, we came to know that these crashes had something to do with the stock market.
We researched and seeked information about the Black Tuesday, the Black Friday, the stock market crash of 1929, etc., which is very interesting to learn and to conceptual understanding throughout the inquiry. We made connections between our previous learning and present learning and felt that this issue was one of the most significant issues as it threw a great impact on people's lives. And also, I just remembered, we would like to thank all the teachers and mentors who gave us wonderful advice about a global issue. To say our global issue is very significant, but hard to process and work. So the mentors and teachers helped us make a perfect and a productive inquiry. So now that's why we would like to thank the teachers. We got the most help from Sally sir, music specialist, Lavanya ma'am, art specialist, and Sumit sir, photography. So this is how we chose the issue, being good thinkers.
Now, coming to the artistic forms, we were needed to showcase our research and learning journey through artistic forms. As our topic can be depicted using any art form, we had a lot of options to choose from. After a lot of deliberation, we chose the art forms music, art, and photography. We were inspired to choose one of the art forms, photography, because we saw that this art form was very popular to depict something related to economics. We saw a lot of photos about the Great Depression and other recessions, and so we were inspired to choose it. We also chose the art form music because one of our group mates found a song about the Great Depression and we found it very interesting and inspiring. We allocated everybody an art form which they were good at. But then we also told others to help them in their art form so that they would experience something out of their comfort zone. I and my group mates are very happy about the global issue and how we depicted our learning and researching journey through the art forms we chose.
Ma'am, now the video will come on.
Yes, ma'am, I'll just present our website. This is the home page, and this is the integration of the Instagram account that we have to spread awareness about our topic in the website. This is the blog page. We have posted all the information that we have got, like the Hindi skit, some photography photos that we found, the art that we did, and the bibliography.
And some of the posts also, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. And then we have the Who We Are page, ma'am. We introduce the crew here, and we also have our favorite quotes mentioned, ma'am.
May I know why the codes here?
Ma'am, we didn't want to put our photos, ma'am, so we wanted to put something that would inspire people when they would visit our website, ma'am.
Ma'am, and it also tells more about us, ma'am, like how we are. Inika, do you have the video?
No, I didn't complete editing it. Ma'am, can
It's all right.
we play the Hindi script, ma'am?
Yes. So however you want to present it, however you have prepared, do that.
Ma'am, we want to show the website in the video, ma'am. We still need to take the video, ma'am. So for now, we are showing the website.
Yes, ma'am. We're done with everything except for the video editing, ma'am. Almost done with it also.
अद्वैत के घर में।
पापा, मैं आज ऑफिस जा रहा हूँ, थोड़ा देर से आऊंगा।
ठीक है, अलविदा।
अलविदा पापा। ऑफिस में मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ मनोहर जी?
आ जाओ अद्वैत।
मैं प्रोजेक्ट कोडिंग के बारे में बात करना चाहता हूँ।
हाँ, प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में।
हाँ, प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में
को निकाल दिया गया है। न केवल आपको बल्कि सभी कर्मचारियों को भी निकाल दिया गया है। मुझे माफ करें।
क्या?
मुझे माफ करें। आप लोग जा सकते हैं और अपने लैपटॉप को सामने वाला ऑफिस पर रख सकते हैं।
फ्रंट डेस्क पर। ये मेरा लैपटॉप है।
हेलो अद्वैत, आप निकल दिया गया है क्या?
हाँ, आपको कैसे पता?
आप 100 व्यक्ति हैं जो मुझे लैपटॉप देने के लिए आए।
ठीक है, मुझे घर जाना है।
सड़क पर।
मुझे समझ नहीं आया कि ये लोग सड़क पर खड़े क्यों हैं। क्या मैं पूछ सकता हूँ कि इस लोग सड़क पर क्यों खड़े रहे हैं?
ये लोग सभी बेचारे लोग हैं। ये नौकरी ढूंढ रहे हैं।
ओह, ऐसा है। मैं भी एक बेरोजगारी हूँ, मुझे भी नौकरी की तलाश है।
क्या सच में आप किस विषय में विशेषज्ञ है?
मैं कोडिंग में विशेषज्ञ हूँ।
मैं भी। क्या आपको लगता है कि हम दोनों एक व्यापार शुरू कर सकते हैं?
अच्छी तरह से हमें कोशिश करना है। चलो अब जाकर बैंक में लोन लेते हैं।
जरूर, चलो अब चलते हैं।
बैंक में। नमस्ते मैडम, व्यापार शुरू करने के लिए हम अपने पैसे को यहाँ निवेश करने के लिए आए हैं।
कितना पैसे चाहिए लोन के लिए?
हम 20 लाख लेंगे।
आप अपना विवरण भरें।
अद्वैत के घर में।
तुम इतनी जल्दी ऑफिस से आया? तुमने बोला कि ऑफिस में बहुत सारे काम है।
पापा, मुझे नौकरी से निकाल दिया गया है।
सच? मुझे आप पर विश्वास नहीं है।
हाँ पापा, पर मैंने इस लड़की से मिला और हम व्यापार शुरू करना चाहते हैं।
उसके नाम क्या है?
आद्या।
ठीक है, तुम अपनी योजना के साथ आगे बढ़ो, लेकिन मुझे बताया करो कि तुम क्या कर रहे हो।
ठीक है पापा।
5 साल के बाद
अद्वैत और आद्या ने उनके व्यापार में सफलता पाया। क्रेडिट्स।
Ma'am, so the main idea of the story is that how unemployment rates are going up, and how can we get inspired to start a new business and all for the poor people.
Yes, ma'am. Like if we lost our job, also try to start a business on our own, ma'am.
Ma'am, even if it doesn't get up and you don't get salaries that high in 1 year or so, ma'am, you need to keep working hard, ma'am.
I think whatever you told me just now, that needs to be presented in your skit. Because I was trying to relate, the topic is about recession and depression. But no way you showed that, there is a depression or a recession. You're all, the moment somebody lost the job and they started the business. When there is a depression or recession, even the emotions, of people will go down. That needs to be showed there, I feel.
Yes, ma'am. We'll work on it, ma'am.
I think at least, yeah, one or two dialogues that you lost the job and you don't know what to do now uh, needs to be showcased there. Okay, because the entire theme of yours is all about depression and recession, and then from there how you raised needs to be told. Okay, so do talk about it. I mean, if you just show that skit that you showed me just now, people may get confused. They are talking about depression. I don't see any depression here. Everybody is okay, kind of, feeling I'm getting. Okay, next. After this,
Ma'am, we are forming a music video now. We are editing it. It's in that process.
okay. So
Actually,
is it a Hindi one? Are you presenting it?
no, no, ma'am. We are still working on it, ma'am. We still
All
need
right.
to do a little bit of music.
Still have
Okay. Next.
Yes. The main attribute that we developed is inquirer, as we have natural curiosity about researching the topic. We were open-minded by sharing and seeking ideas. We were principled by completing the variety exhibition with time and waiting for a turn after our friends complete speaking, and also completing our work before the given time.
Rama, I think your voice is breaking, dear. Turn off your camera and then present it.
Ma'am, should I present it, ma'am?
Yeah, turn off your camera and then talk. That's what I meant. There is a lag. No.
We were communicators, communicating with our friends so that we can have an adventure time with our friends and learn more about the. We were reflective as we were reflecting on what we were going to do about the topic. We were risk takers by exploring more about the topic in a short amount of time. We were caring as we helped each and every one so that they will understand the topic and complete tasks. We were balanced as we were balancing our extracurricular activities and our work. These are the attributes that we have exhibited in the PYP exhibition.
Now, moving on about the approaches to learning we as a group have developed. We have developed many skills during this project. We developed our self-management skills by finishing our work before time and making use of the next day. And we self-led our inquiry. We developed our social skills by sharing and seeking ideas. We developed our research skills by collecting data about the past economic depressions, recessions, and downturns, and we had taken individual responsibility by finishing the tasks issued to us on time. We developed our communication skills as we delivered our dialogues in the Hindi skit properly and had surveyed people on their opinions as well as speaking with you. Now we are developing our communication skills. And do you know that we get diverted with ease? We developed our communication skills there too. Moving on, we had developed our thinking skills by reflecting on the causes and changes of economic depression, and we used the six thinking hats that helped us recollect the situations in which we were creative, positive, negative, etc.
Coming to the importance of approaches of learning and PYP exhibition, skills have played a major role in our life. They help us reflect upon the uh, processes of learning and articulate ideas in our mind, which also helps us to develop our behavior. Not only in PYP exhibition, we have a lot of opportunities to display our skills in our daily life. Displaying our socializing skills by having a kind and caring heart and an open minded brain. These also help us in our professional life. If we go to work somewhere, we can use our communication skills to get a good impression on our colleagues. Now coming back to our PYP exhibition. PYP exhibition helped us by making us proactive and self-reliant. We displayed our learner profile, which made us learn more about them. We applied group skills too, as it was a collaborative work. We will collect we will collect data and report findings even though we have completed our research. We will reflect on the knowledge that we have gained and add more knowledge in the future too.
Action is important to create habits. Our group's action is to acknowledge about economic depression and recession, and also about the financial crisis through years. We tried investigating and exploring about the action and main causes of economic depression and recession. The Sustainable Development Goals assist us to choose the topic through other subtopics. The Sustainable Development Goals also help us to work on our issues productively. Economic depression and recession is addressing the Sustainable Development Goal, decent work and economic growth. Well, after listening to so much about sustainable development goals, you might get confused. So let me tell you what it means. Sustainable development goals are a set of targets relating to future international development. Our group's action for the issue chosen is that we will advocate solutions to reduce unemployment and economic downfall and recommend lifestyle choices through a website. Now, let's take an oath. Put a hand on your heart and recite this oath along with me. I, a citizen of India, pledge to help stop unemployment by helping unemployed people reach out to a vacant job related to their expertise and ability. Thank you.
Somehow I missed out the action part. Sorry. I was thinking about the learner profile that you have developed, but somehow missed out your action part. What is your action part?
Our action for the issue chosen is that we will advocate solutions to reduce unemployment and economic downfall and recommend lifestyle choices through a website.
Okay. So if you are talking like this, through your website, you are, trying to give some ideas, but then can you mention one or two?
Yes, ma'am. We are still working on the lifestyle choices, ma'am, because we are trying to get ideas and how we can make them really easy for people to understand. So when we complete, we'll include, ma'am.
And also I wanted to see, suppose if you're talking about the recession, I wanted you to take up the examples of some case studies and then talk about it. Merely talking about what is recession and what is depression and it so happened in America or in India won't make the people understand what recession is all about. If you can properly give one solid example how the recession happened in a particular country at particular time and what were the effects, what were the effects of that recession or depression, then people will understand. That will show your knowledge about the topic that you are inquiring, which I didn't see here. Did you all understand? And yeah, and the pictures related to it, one or two pictures or the data, how did yes.
Actually, when we are playing the song, ma'am, we are displaying some photos that we have collected and one photograph that we have created on our own, ma'am. That we have done. For our art form photography, we are including it with the music, ma'am. So while we are singing, the photos will slide through, ma'am.
Okay. What's her name? Surapaneni? Charita. So what were you speaking about? You are talking about the learner profile communicators, and tell me, repeat what you are saying.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I told all the attributes, ma'am. Like I connected all the attributes.
Tell me about the communicators. What
But I think
Sharita, ma'am is asking about communicator.
Oh, I think she has an internet issue.
Okay, you all might have done, together, right? What did she want to convey about communicators? Yes.
Can I read out what she told? Yes, ma'am. We were communicators while communicating with our friends so that we can have an effective time with our friends and learn more about the topic.
So how well you communicated? Give an example there. It whatever you are presenting is very general. if you can pinpoint or give few examples, how you communicated so that, there is an effective inquiry and collaboration happened, needs to be told. If you're saying we developed so-and-so skill, what exactly you did that, you feel that you developed that skill needs to be told. Give specific examples. Don't talk in general. Srinika.
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, we told Charita to keep it very general because Amrita was also talking about communication, ma'am, in her speech.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we made some examples there, ma'am.
I could see that only one example. I think Akshaya, when Akshaya was talking, I could understand that this is how I want. But whoever is talking about something, they need to be very, specific. You cannot talk generally and leave it. Someone else will talk. Then why should she talk? All right. So, what is your takeaway from the whole discussion? What do you think you need to work on?
We will try to focus on the main points and give examples of how we develop skills and attributes. And also we'll make our Hindi skit also developed, ma'am. We'll develop on this.
So, yes, Renika.
Ma'am, we also need to make sure whatever points we are putting forward for an argument, ma'am, we need to connect them all, ma'am.
Yeah, Ritika.
Yes, ma'am. As you said in our Hindi skit and whatever we are doing in our Atma, ma'am, we will make sure that we'll keep about recession and depression, ma'am.
Okay. So once again, I'll tell you the points I wanted to convey. You need to be very clear about the recession, depression, how it affects a common man. What leads to recession? What leads to depression? Okay. How is it affecting, how each aspect is connected to one another that leads to recession. Okay. That is one. When you are giving maybe a case study for each aspect, like recession and depression needs to be given a case study. With those examples, if you can narrate, then it will be very clear to the audience. Second thing is that give examples, specific examples when you are mentioning about how you have developed your learner profile. All right. This is what I'm expecting. I think I will see that again the vacation, after the vacation. All right.
Ma'am, I think so.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, so and we also have to manage the time, ma'am. Like we are exceeding 20 minutes sometimes.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Not like from their group, but I want to give an idea for their Hindi skill.
Yeah.
Like first, they can show that had a downfall. Like
turn on your camera.
Shobha, shall I stop the recording?
Yes, yes.
She was in a clash, ma'am. Then slowly her